In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an automation on ActiveCampaign with our updated 2025 guide. So, grab a cup of your favorite beverage, sit back, and let's dive into it. First, you need to log in to your ActiveCampaign account. Simply go to activecampaign.com and log in using your credentials. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand sidebar and locate the Automations tab. Click on it, and you'll be on your way to crafting your automation masterpiece. Now, to get the ball rolling, head to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Create an Automation button. This will bring up a list of various automation templates like Welcome Series, Abandoned Cart, or Engaged Subscribers. These templates are super handy if you want to save some time. But for this tutorial, we'll be starting from scratch. So click on Start from Scratch. Next up is choosing a trigger. This is essentially the starting point for your automation. There are a few popular triggers you can choose from, such as when someone subscribes to a list, when a tag is added, when someone opens or clicks an email, when a form is submitted, or when a purchase is made if you're connected to e-commerce. Select the trigger that fits your needs and then hit Continue. Once you've got your trigger sorted, it's time to add your first action. Click on that enticing little plus button and you'll be presented with a range of options. You'll find options grouped by type, sending options like sending an email or SMS, conditions and workflow like if else, wait, or go to actions, and even options related to managing your contacts in CRM. Here's a quick example for a welcome automation. You might set the trigger as subscribes to list, then for action 1, send welcome email. Follow it with wait 1 day for action 2, and finally for action 3, send follow-up email. To send an email, simply select send an email. If you haven't created one yet, click create a new email and design it using ActiveCampaign's built-in email builder. It's a pretty user-friendly tool, allowing you to design professional-looking emails with ease. Continue building your automation by adding more steps as needed. You might tag a user, send out further follow-ups, or add some conditions, such as checking whether a contact has opened an email. Once you feel everything is ready, look to the upper right corner of your screen and click Active to turn your automation on. Now it's time to test your setup. Subscribe with a test email address or add a contact that meets your trigger conditions to ensure everything is working smoothly. And here's a pro tip to wrap up. Leverage goals and wait conditions to make your automations even more personalized and efficient. You also have the option to monitor how your automation is performing by checking out the Reports tab. There you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating an automation on ActiveCampaign. With these tools and techniques at hand, you can now start creating your automations and watch them drive engagement and results for your business. Happy automating!